off-roading at this bridge.
Right or left?
Right. Don't go left. If you go left, you're going into a big culvert. There are two culverts here, so I don't know which way. Right there, maybe? Ooh, I don't know. Maybe you should access that. No, we did it. Okay.
Right there?
Yeah, ain't that a... Should we get out and walk it? I said it looked like it. I don't know.
It's a little narrow.
I wouldn't go in there. Okay, see all the big trees? That's my bad. I didn't think anything about it. I thought we could go off-roading over here. We're checking it out. Should have got out and walked. But I think you can drive that way. A little ways anyway.
Down the creek.
Go that way a little bit? I don't know.
Yeah.
Like I said, it looked like you could do it in the video.
I'm just narrating where we're going down the creek.
Don't look at me to do this. I'd get freaked out.
Trees.
I don't know. Should we go? I'll let you drive. You can tell if you should or shouldn't, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. I always say hello to get an answer back. Oh yeah, no. How can you turn around?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fenced off. I see a fence there.
Yep.
Yeah, you can't. It's fenced off. You can't. What do you do?
I know that.
What do you do?
Turn it around.
How? Oh, we're gonna get stuck.
Don't jinx us.
You ain't even in four-wheel drive.
Yes, I am.
Are you?
It's always in four-wheel drive.
Okay. Holy shit. Okay, I'll keep the camera out here so that you see this. Okay, we did go off-roading a little bit. Enough to send me into panic mode. Okay, get me out of here. Oh my god. Oh, he's going in the deeper end. Okay, I think he's doing this to scare me. I don't know how you're gonna do that. Go to your right.
Yeah.
Oop. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, what's up? Do you think your wife's crazy?
Man.
Oof, my butt. My butt's round, not flat. It go lefty righty. Oh, what are you gonna do? You can't go over there.
Why?
Well, I don't know, but don't do it.
Okay, I won't do it.
It's bumpy. I can't keep the video. Are you proud of yourself, darling?
Oh yeah.
I'm proud for you.
I gotta turn around down here.
You think?
You didn't want me to
Hey,
take
stop,
it?
stop, stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Why?
We're gonna get out. I'm gonna brace this on the cab of the truck so we can have a video of me standing out there.
No.
I'm leaving that part in there.
No.
Yes, I am, people. You want to explain to them why I got the shirt?
Charlie Kirk.
You got screen, it's a motor.
Oh. Like her shirt? We love you, Charlie.
Oi. Say bye. Oof. Not good at this one. Just trying to figure out where to put it. Are we gonna sink?
No.
Oh, cool. Oof. Is that fun?
Yep.
Was it exciting? Drilling and going?
Yep, it was fun.
Yeah, it's so fun. I loved it, but he has to do the driving. I cannot do the driving. I will be like panicked, stuck, calling him, hey, I'm in the creek. Of course, he would get a kick out of that probably. Would you? If I got your truck stuck and had to call you?
You just panicked.
Oh, well, yeah, no shots. I'm a girl. Woman.
That has nothing to do with it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, it does. It has a lot to do with it. It has a lot to do with it. Okay. You say it.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello and goodbye, people.